friends, welcome to the technical check on the markets. Markets have closed positive today with a gap. The bias still remains positive. There might be a small consolidation going ahead because we've seen a good rally now, but the consolidation is not expected to go below 6140, which will be a short-term reversal. If the markets close below 6140, then the short-term bias becomes negative. This entire range on the daily charts has broken on the upside, so the bias remains positive in the short term as well as in the medium term outlook. The momentum indicator on the daily charts are on the buy side, so the strategy should be to buy on declines. On the hourly charts, this is the channel which has been forming here, and every time it touches the lower end, it gives us a very good rally which you've seen before. This time I'll be expecting markets to take support around the 20 and 40 daily hourly moving average, which is around 6200, around those levels, and then again start moving up. The momentum indicator is just about to give a sell signal, but yet not given a sell signal. So I think the rally should continue tomorrow as well, and on Monday as well. So this entire cycle on the upside should complete as it completed here. So the bias remains positive, and the support would be around 6200. Can go long for a target of 6350. On banking side, I'll be expecting this upper end of the channel to be achieved, the target to be achieved, that is around 12,300 levels, and the support would be around 11,475 and 11,181. Resistance would be around 11,835 and 12,000. The momentum indicator has given a buy signal on the daily charts, which is a very good sign for the index, and forming higher tops, higher bottom. This small triangular pattern has broken on the upside, so I think the short term and medium term bias remains positive for bank Nifty. ONGC has formed this triangle, and I'll be expecting this triangle to break on the upside. It's a 5-wave rise here, and I think the next wave on the upside should start very soon. The momentum indicator on the buy side, so the rally should continue, the positive momentum should continue. Stop loss should be around 279, and target would be around 296 and 304. The second stock we've chosen in momentum calls would be Godrej Industries. This entire range is expected to break on the upside in the medium term outlook, but in the very short term, this upper end is expected to be achieved. In our momentum call, we have a stop loss around 276 and target around 288.50 and 295, which is a short term target. This small flag pattern has formed here, and which has broken on the upside, so it's a good buy at these levels. Volumes are good, and the previous rally is impulsive. So overall, friends, still the momentum is positive. I'll be expecting a target of around 6350 in the very short term, and now the stop loss is around 6140 in the short term. Thank you so much.